This was lucky number 7, and well, oh, someone sent me a message, and they said something nice. A good answer, and that's it. Thank you. Yeah, so I wanted to talk about this really funny thing that happened today. I mean, it might not seem funny to you, but anyway. So I take driver's ed because I am 15 and a sophomore, and I'm not going to tell you my school because that is not smart. And so in driver's ed, we were talking about seatbelts and car crashes and how they affected, blah blah. And then my teacher said something about, they used to have these seatbelts where it automatically did this part, over the chest, shoulder thing, but not the buckle right here. And apparently people weren't buckling right here. They were just, oh, well, I've already got the shoulder strap. Why do I need the buckle? But then it wouldn't be supported, and then it would slide down. Or no, yeah, it would slide down, and then they would get decapitated in a car crash, and that's really gross. Getting split into 2 pieces. Ugh. Yeah, and then so some kid yelled like, "Why? Like, do they have what's wrong with the seatbelts? Do they have blades on them?" And everyone just, because obviously seatbelts are not equipped with blades. It's like, obviously the best seatbelts from Ford are equipped with blades. And yeah, and then my friend has a backpack. Of course, at school you kind of have to have backpacks, and it has this weird little clip thing. I don't know what it is. So a lot of them have that. I to secure it around yourself. It's really nerdy. It's not kind of nerdy. It's really nerdy. And she was like, I have some sort of belt thing back here, and it feels weird. It's like, it's a seat belt. I mean, obviously, if you're in a crash wearing your backpack, you need to secure it to your body. I mean, you could die, but you need to keep your backpack. And honestly, that really doesn't sound funny right now, but it will. I swear. Yeah, it was fun. Because every 5 seconds, I would be like, you better keep that close to you. I mean, it doesn't even have a seatbelt on. And then I was wearing my North Face jacket, and you know how they have the chest pockets right here? I stuck my money in there. I was like, because in a car crash, I really don't want to lose it. I mean, I might get decapitated, but my $20, don't test me. I cannot lose that. I think I'm done with this one. I really thought it was funny because on the last one, right after I posted it, I saw the views, and it was the 6th video, and it had 6 views. That was cool. I hope there are good screenshots for this one. I like good screenshots. I didn't have very good screenshots for some of mine. I think I'm done. Bye.